Okay, good deal. So here we are. Oops, I screwed up. We're not done. I want to hit Control A, escape. Okay, and I can hit scroll back mode. And this is what I got when I was compiling my kernel. Never ever seen this before. Okay. Bin sh diff command not found. I don't understand that. Is it saying I don't have diff? Okay. So, um, let's say, can I say diff? No. Hmm. Diff. Dir color, dir. I'm pretty sure we installed diff. I don't understand why I don't have diff. I've never seen that error before in my lifetime. So, let's fight our mic cord. And, okay, diff. Diff command not found. I don't remember which. That's not found either. I'm using my other computer right now to see if that 6.2 machine's got diff by default. Of course it does. Of course it does. And let's go. First, let's cut the screen apart. Control A, Shift S, Control A, Control Tab, Control A, Control C. Hit exit. Okay, we're still logged in. And that's not good. Phew. One or two things. Let's pop back up. Remove quietly our Linux kernel. Okay, that we extracted. Not a biggie. Not a biggie. And we want to go. Let's cd into sources. See if we can jar memory. See if we install diff. LSL grep diff. Grep's not found. Can I access diff? Hmm. LS. Hit tab. 700 possibilities. Yeah, sure. Let's go. Grep should be found. Control A, Control X. I have to put in my password, right? Hit clear. Am I stuck? More. It's clear. Let's cd in the bin. Grep's not here. Neither is diff. Okay. Okay, how about cd into subin? Sbin maybe? Do I have which? I don't think so. No. Can I cd into user bin? Never ever saw that error before. ls grep diff. bz diff. Okay, something must have happened. So let's go up to sources, clear. Let's grep. I don't think I'll be able to grep though. Now I can grep. Nice. Grep diff. Weird diff. Command not found. Let's tar xvf diff again. Diff utils. cd into diff utils. Diff utils. and let's say Control A, Control A, Control A, Shift S, Control A, Control A, Control A, Control C, and mark our place here. We are at 8.3.1. I'm gonna pop back out here. Let's go look at diff. I don't. We installed diff. That's all we did. That shouldn't be a factor anyway. I never saw that error. Diff utils. Yeah, we installed diff. We installed diff like a jumpy. So let's say, let's just back out of that. We'll go, I think it was just a little burp or something, maybe a bug or something, because grep, as you just seen, grep didn't pop up either for that second. Let's exit that. This is what I'm gonna do. CD back up, and I'm going to remove my extracted diff package here. Okay. Can I say diff now? It's not even coming up. This is a bug. Let's see, diff. If I tab out, I can tab out diff all day on my other computer. What I'm gonna do is, let's try something. Let's just say tar xvf, no v. Let's just tar out the Linux tarball again. Okay. Maybe we just hit something, that's all. But I don't like not having diff in my stuff there. I installed diff utils. I knew we installed it. So we'll try to pack up the kernel again, and then we'll rerun it and see what happens. Okay. No biggie. Machine should boot. Well, it's not going to boot without a kernel, but the machine should boot. So even if we do get stuck here, we can go ahead and fix it somehow. So let me get big screen. Control A, Control X. Okay. Clear. CD Linux. Okay. Now, I want to say make mr proper. Control A. Back to our Linux source tree. Now remember, we have to set that one kernel tick. So we say make menu config. If there's a problem with the toolchain, I don't know. My thing is just we'll just repack it and unpack it and run it. That's it. Device drivers, generic driver options, and maintain. Hit spacebar here. Okay. Over to exit, enter, exit, enter, exit, enter. Yes, I want to see my configuration. Clear. And we'll say, what does the doc say? Make modules install. Make modules underscore install. Alright, so hopefully, I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'll catch you in the next one.